Hi, my lovely viewers. This is Hello IT World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to set or insert vehicles icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case, we have to open a Microsoft Word file. So in this file, we'll go to the insert, click and go to the icons. Here in below side we will get the vehicles, so click here. Lots of or multiple vehicles has been appeared in this software or Microsoft Word Office. So click multiple things and we have to obviously press the insert, otherwise it will not come. So see, it has come. So before that my mouse has been appeared in this line, that's why it has been appeared in here. Then again go to this and we have to press this or this, then go to again in that way, insert icons. Here the vehicle, select one. See, the thing has been appeared. Now we want to do the layout option. So what has, so if we press this, move with the text, see, we can move anywhere. And the interesting part has been revealed that the icons has been appeared on the front side as well as the written part has been shown in the background side. So here this, we can increase or decrease in this way, increase size. Now we will do the graphics session. So before that we have to mark this icon, so click our mark icon. Now go to the graphics format here, so graphics fill. Here multiple color has been appear, this color. We can do the more field colors, custom wise and standard wise. Standard, see, the current color this and the new color is this, then we have to press the OK. Now we will do the outline option. So here the outline has been appear, see, this color outline will be marked. Then we can increase or decrease the outline. See, in this way we can increase or decrease. Also in this way we can give the outline, see, dashes way, see, the dash outline or mark. See, now we will do the effects. What effects? Graphics effects in this icon. See, here lots of effects options has been built in this system. So reflect, see, the reflect, go to this reflection, see, the reflection has been appear in this way. Also do the 3D, see, this way we can learn these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.